Hello everyone, this is Akhilesh and welcome to my YouTube channel Twisty Recipe. Today I am going to make the recipes from Bhutan, that is the emadachi. For emadachi, we are taking these all ingredients. Kindly have a look on it. This is green beans, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 2 pieces of tomato finely chopped, small quantity of ginger finely chopped in a long, garlic finely chopped, green capsicum finely chopped in a long, 1 pieces of onion finely chopped, 2 small pieces of potatoes finely chopped, taken jeera powder, black pepper, kali mirch, salt as per as taste. We will use butter too. These are all ingredients we have taken for making dakchi, emadachi, a recipe from Bhutan, and this is a very popular in Bhutan. So we are going to make. Thank you. Let's go for further process. For making emadachi, we have taken the cooking bowl, and just I'm going to put all the vegetables on it. This is the capsicum, green beans. We are putting very low flame first. Then I am putting the tomatoes. The garlic, 3 pieces of green chili, ginger, I am putting onion and the potatoes. All are putting together and a low flame, and 1 cup of water. Now we will cook for 10 to 15 minutes in a medium flame. It's cooking well and almost 5 minutes done. The rest we have to cook for 10 minutes. Now almost 10 minutes done. So now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of pink oil on it. Now it's the time to add the jeera powder. As per as taste, you can use the black pepper, kali mirch on it, and the salt as per as taste. Put all ingredients and cook well for further 5 minutes. Now we will add 1 tablespoon butter on it, and because the cheese is not available in the nearest market due to lockdown, supply is not there, so I'm not using cheese here, but we can use cheese for nice taste. So just I use butter 1 teaspoon also, and just mix in a very gentle way and cook almost 3 to 4 minutes more, and after that we will serve this on serving plates. It looks nice and it's very healthy because we are using the green vegetables and potatoes in a boiled manner with the very gentle spices like jeera powder and black pepper, kali mirch and namak. We are not using so much spices there, It's very nice and gentle looks also. I'm using a small amount of turmeric powder due to a very nice properties. So it's optional. So I'm just using a small quantity of turmeric powder too. Now it's strongly almost cooked, and now it's ready for serving on the plates, and it looks nice. You see the stuffs all cooked in a proper way. Now I am going to serve it on the plates. Thank you for watching this. Now serving plates ready, and I'm going to just serve it. Dakchi, Ema Dakchi recipes. See the stuffs. It's ready to enjoy it. A very famous recipe in Bhutan, Ema Dachi. So have a look on it and enjoy.